Hi everyone, Rachel Willow here. So as I mentioned in my last video, it is Dan's birthday tomorrow. And being a fan of all things peanut butter, I thought this year I would make him something special for his birthday. So I'm just going to talk very briefly about how I'm making a gluten-free Buckeye brownie for him. Now, I know you guys are probably thinking, well, like, isn't he going to see this video? Yes, he is. He's aware that I'm making him something. He's not exactly sure what. So, surprise! I hope you enjoy it and you get to eat it tomorrow. I'm very excited. I can't believe I'm not going to be able to try this because it smells so good. But I'll wait. I'll be patient. So, I already went ahead and made up the brownies here and let them cool to room temperature. And in making this recipe, it was very clear that you could easily, if you wanted to, do a boxed mix for the brownies. If you wanted to do regular brownie mix or gluten-free, but I made them from scratch just to follow along with the recipe. And then for the part of the Buckeyes here, for the peanut butter, this is creamy peanut butter, powdered sugar, a little bit of salt, a little bit of vanilla extract, and then some half and half to make it so it's really creamy and spreadable. And so I'll put that on top of the brownies, and then the next part will be this peanut butter and semi-sweet chocolate chip melt mixture that I made. And it's really easy. You could do this in the microwave or in a double broiler if you have one of those. And it was, I believe, 2.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips and then a 1/3 cup of peanut butter. So I will leave a link to the full recipe in the comments, and then also tag the person that I got this recipe from because I'm really excited about it. And again, it smells so good. But yeah, so pretty much what I'm just going to do is I'm going to take this peanut butter mixture, spread that on top, make sure it's nice and even, then pour the chocolate over it, and then pop that in the fridge overnight so it can cool and set. And that's really it. I would say the entire recipe took maybe an hour from beginning to end, and that's including to have the brownies cool to room temperature. So yeah, if you guys want to see more recipes and things of that sort, comment below. I always include a few here and there, at least maybe once a month. And yeah, you guys have a good rest of your day. And if you see Dan at all tomorrow or you're friends with him on social media, make sure to wish him a happy birthday. Have a great day. Bye.